Girl. Wow.
Okay, let me be quiet.
Nice.
Yeah?
It's really, really nice.
It's really
Really
spot.
chocolatey.
Hey guys, Sylvia Gemtai here. Welcome back to the Green Spoon Kitchen. Today we're going to be making this delicious chocolate chip banana bread. It's definitely a recipe that needs to be in your staple. Let's make it. Ingredients for this recipe, we have some overripe bananas. I've got 4 bananas, about 55 grams of butter, half a cup of jaggery, quarter cup of natural yogurt, some vanilla paste. I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon of sugar, just a little bit. I got the dark milk chocolate and then I got the espresso. Then of course we have eggs, we have a pinch of salt, we have our bicarbonate baking powder, cinnamon, and of course our flour. And to garnish, of course I have some semi-ripe bananas. Let's get into making this recipe. All right, so to begin, I'm going to mash the bananas with a fork. Once the banana is all mashed, get a bowl and cream our butter and our half a cup of jaggery. Just gonna break this up. Now that the butter and the jaggery is slightly combined, I'm gonna switch to my hand mixer so that I can get a nice consistency. The consistency has changed. You can see it's kind of like a buttercream consistency and it's become light and fluffy and pale. So this is perfect. This is what we want. All right, so I'm just gonna add a teaspoon of regular sugar. Let's go. All right, that's good enough. All right, so we're gonna go in with our eggs and you have to whip one at a time. Let's go. So that's 1 egg in. You can see the texture is nice and fluffy. We want to aerate the banana bread. So by whipping the egg like this, we're adding air. All right, so our eggs are in. Next, we're gonna go in with the vanilla. So I'm gonna do about a teaspoon. That should be good. Just gonna mix it through. Next, we have our banana. Next is our yogurt. So we're just gonna mix this in together. Just give that one mix. All right, our wet ingredients are done. So I'm gonna set this aside. Then I'm gonna take my dry ingredients. We have baking powder, bicarbonate, cinnamon, then a pinch of salt. Let's just mix the dry ingredients together. All right, so our dry ingredients are ready. Time for the chocolates. We are going to use half and half. Just gonna chop. Don't chop them too small. We don't want chocolate chips. We want chocolate chunks like this. That's it. Our chocolate is ready. Let me mix in the dry ingredients. We are going to fold that through with your spatula. Just gently mix that through. So once the flour has kind of disappeared and combined with the wet ingredients, you can then go in with the chocolate. So this is good. And there's still quite a bit of air in the batter. You can see all those little holes, there's pockets in there. So that's good, that's what we want. All right, let's go in with the chocolate. Start off with half, don't throw everything in yet, and just gently fold it through. So I'm saving these for the top part of the cake. All right, that's it. Let's get our tin ready. We have a baking tin. Let me get that. We're going to actually grease it with some butter. I'm still going to use parchment paper. Let's put our baking paper. Then I'm just gonna put a bit more insurance on the inside, just a bit of butter. We can now go in with our batter. Just gently pour it inside. Smells really good. I think I've got everything out. I don't know who's gonna lick the bowl. I don't know if anybody in studio. Okay, their hands raising behind there. So I'm gonna leave a little for people in the studio to lick the bowl. Right, we have our cake batter in. Next, we are going to grab a banana, slice it with a knife right through. We're gonna make like a sugar mixture. Sugar and just a little cinnamon. We're just gonna top that off on the banana bread. Pinch of sugar, just mix that through. And that's good enough. Go with our banana slices. Grab our sugar and cinnamon mixture and just sprinkle from a height. That's gonna caramelize the bananas. Then we'll finalize with our remaining chocolate chunks. I think that's great. Okay, she is ready to go in the oven. So it's time to get our banana bread in the oven. Let's go. All right, so we've preheated our oven for 20 minutes. We're gonna bake this for 40 minutes at 180 degrees C. So I can smell the cake. I think it's almost ready. Let's check on it. I'm just gonna poke it, it's still a bit wet. So let's put it back and let it continue baking. Okay, I think our cake is done. Looks so good, it smells delicious. So of course we're gonna need to let it cool. We can't dig into it yet. So about 5 to 10 minutes, then we'll take it out of the tin. let it cool, slice it up. Oh my gosh, look at the chocolate. We are done making the banana bread, and today I have Sheila with me from Green Spoon. Hi, Sheila.
Hi.
Have you had banana bread before? Do you like banana bread?
Wow. I like banana bread.
Okay.
Yeah, I have it once in a while though.
Do you make it at home?
Store-bought.
Store-bought. That's
Yeah,
fine,
store-bought.
also. But at Green Spoon, we make it.
Okay, which is fantastic. Which
Yeah,
is fantastic.
perfect.
Yeah, which is why I like working at Green Spoon
Oh, good.
also because
yes.
yeah, we have these amazing products. Okay.
All right, so go ahead. I'm also gonna grab a slice here as you taste.
Oh my God. Yay. Girl. Wow.
Okay, let me be quiet.
Nice.
Yeah?
That's really, really nice. Really
Hitting the spot.
chocolatey.
To serve this with, we
Yeah.
have a vanilla spice chai latte.
Oh, okay.
Which you guys can get the recipe in the other video. But feel free to also enjoy that with your banana bread. I want you to get the full experience.
Definitely do.
So as you continue to enjoy the tea,
Yeah.
I'm glad you love it.
It's really good.
I'm gonna remind you guys, you can get all the ingredients from Green Spoon, from their website or their app, and get to make this at home as well. So for you,
Yeah.
we've made it for you today.
Oh, thanks. I'll be here every day.
Yes, please. Same time and next week you will find us.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for joining me and enjoying the cake. Yeah, I
Thank
hope
you
it's
for everything.
been a
Yeah.
good banana bread
Oh.
experience for you.
So good. I can't wait to mash it down my face.
Go for it, go for it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, see you
Bye.
later. Bye.
Mr. Sema, bye.
You can say bye.
Oh, bye.